Hi there, and welcome to my channel. I'm Grace Chatting, and I'm so glad that you're here. For as long as I can remember, I've been fascinated by people, all aspects of people, their relationships with themselves, with each other, and with the divine or the sacred, whatever God of their understanding. And that lifelong curiosity led me to build a career exploring every aspect of what makes us human. Um, Absolutely fascinated by the developments in the whole field of social science, psychology, neuroscience, and spirituality, mostly to help myself and to help other people to thrive in their life. And life gets mucky sometimes, doesn't it? And how to find your way out of the mire. That's been a part of my life as well. And it's about passing that on to other people, what I've learned. So on these channels, I bring those insights to you, um, along with something that I believe is essential, the fundamentals of happy, fulfilling relationships. I've had experience of very unhappy relationships and mediocre relationships and just difficult relationships and exceedingly happy and fulfilling relationships. And I'm fascinated with the whole notion of evolutionary relationships. So I'm here to share the lessons that they didn't teach at school. Often my clients will say they didn't teach that at school, or why didn't they teach that at school? So many of the videos that you'll find here are lessons that they didn't teach at school. How to build a healthy relationship with yourself, how to nurture meaningful connections with others, and how to explore deeper spiritual dynamics of life and how that, inspiration and aspiration affect and impact on our lives. So these are all dynamics that shape our lives at home, at work, and in the world around us. And they're lessons that we can all benefit from at any age. So on this channel, we'll explore personal and transpersonal growth, growing as individuals, connecting to something greater, relationships in particular, building the love, connection, and harmony that we all deserve, and navigating life, tools to thrive physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. And so now, actually, my 80th birthday is next year, and my ambition is to be a successful YouTuber. So that's my secret little ambition. So please click subscribe and help me to achieve my ambition. And I hope if this all resonates with you that you stick around, and don't forget to leave a comment below. And I'd love, 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 love to hear your story. Thank you for listening, and thank you for visiting my channel. Bye for now.